Hi guys, good evening. It is Thursday night, and as we all know, Thursday night is date night. So I'm going to meet Dada at this Malaysian restaurant in Footscray because it's close to home, guys, and we can just go home as soon as we finish with dinner and be with Paris. So yeah, he's there now because he got there first. I just park. That's where we're going, guys. It's Roti Road. It's a Malaysian restaurant. Malaysian Chinese restaurant. I think oh yeah, I think he's here now. Okay, where's the front door? Oh, here. Oh Lord. Hi, how are you? I'm with someone there. Thank you. Yeah. So I'm gonna have Chinese tea. And we're gonna start ordering food. It's wines. I don't want wines. So this is what we're ordering, guys. Where is it? Oh. This one. It is, they call it Tom Yum Barramundi. That's the one there. So it is whole barramundi poached and house-made Tom Yum broth. Nice. We're gonna have, and of course we're gonna have rice with that, and we'll get roti as well. Just one, Daddy? One roti. And I want the drinks that I'm getting is this. It's what they call Milo dinosaur. Yeah. Okay, let's order. So the roti is here now, guys. Yummy, yummy. And that's the dip. And I also got my Milo dinosaur. Yummy. So we're just waiting for the rice and the fish. So this is just an entree. Hi guys, it's another one. It's chicken spring roll. Yummy. Look what's here, guys. It's the barramundi. Wow, have a look. So cooking. That is the thing, guys. How much for this? Oh wow.
Okay, all good. Thank you.
Hi guys, we just finished our dinner. Thank you, Daddy. Alright, I'm not showing him the video. And we're just walking back to the car now, so we can go home to Paris. Ooh, what's this? Ah, whew, so cold. So, hi guys. Dada has got a craving for hot drinks, so we are here at High Point. We're gonna go to Max Brenner. No, but So he's now pointing rebel. We're not going there. We just came here for hot chocolate so we can go home quickly. Oh my god, guys. He's going into rebels. Don't you have one already?
Huh?
Don't you have one already? Guys, seriously, he's like a kid in the candy shop.
Alright, let's go. Because I want to go down. Is the thing downstairs? Max Brenner?
What? No, it's there.
Alright, we're going to go down. I was going to go downstairs. I want to put hoodies and stuff.
No, you're not. What happened to the hot chocolate?
We're going down.
Moves.
Oh, what happened to the
What
hot
brand's
chocolate?
this? Oh, Samsung. Beat. Guys, that's where we're going. Max Brenner. Chocolate bar. Where are you going? Okay. Chocolate. 100%. Wow, guys, have a look. They're making the chocolate. This is the milk one. Hot chocolate. Just get a big and then Mimi and I will share.
Hey, how you going?
Good, how are you?
Really good.
Can I grab one small dark hot chocolate
Yeah, sure.
and one
Classic milk as well. Yeah.
do you want that large or yeah, large?
Large.
Large one?
Please,
Yeah.
thank you.
All good. Anything else at all? Any marshmallows, waffle balls with your hot chocolates?
Yes,
No
marshmallow,
marshmallows?
please.
Try
Yeah.
marshmallows as well? No.
I'm all good, man.
All good.
So we got our coffees now, guys. Now, actually, it's hot chocolate. And we're heading home. Dada still wants to go to Rebel again, guys. But, nah. Home time. It's time to go home to Paris. I'm gonna show you my OOTD, guys. Show me, Daddy.
Mama.
Hi!
Ay, dala si Ate Auntie nga kami kayo nga konti.
Mama!
Antay mo pa
Mama! What happened to the thing?
Mouth?
The mouth?
I told you, I think it's that egg.
We're home now, guys. Wow. Yes. Have a look, we've got visitors. Guess who our visitors are?
Kuya Noel and Ate
Sila na po, doon nasa mong balay. Oh. Nang isa nang hugas plato. Bawi-bawi bakit mo sa ila kayo hugas plato. Huwag na dire, siya hugas plato.
Pinainununan, ti.
Ang inununan lugar best. Di ka nagluto or ikan sa tindahan? Uy, shoot. Hello, sweetie. Uy! Isog man kaayo ah. Ang hugas plato oh. Okay, pwede ha. Nanihapon na sila guys. Did you eat na? Nagkaon palis na?
Kaon siya na
Ay, George, nagkaon na siya nga oh. Tanaw, pikay, nagay nang nagkaon na oh. Kuot-kuot ko man gani oh. Oh, God.
Once a week.
Oh, it's good to be home, guys. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna give Paris a meal.
Ano, gusto niya takot bang?
Ay, makigalak siya. Kilak. Ay, yeah, na, honey. Hi, guys. Uy. Psst. Hi, wanna say hi? Hi. Hi. You guys, we're gonna say bye now because we have to yeah, I'm gonna get changed now, guys. And Puyat kita. Yeah, so yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video. Stop it! Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye. Say bye.